Look at this. There's gotta be over 1,000 fish right here. It's a ball of fish. Look, they're really there. Here, let me find a shell or something like that on there. It's so bright I can't see. They're swimming in a big circle, kind of. A ball of fish does. I'm gonna go on the outside edge. That's so cool. I want to like just jump in it. Whoa! Oh, that got me. Got them too. That was amazing. Wish I could do that again. That'd make a cool little one. So bright out here, the glare. I can't tell what I'm picking up or not. Oh, he got one, he got one. He got one. He got one. One that wasn't paying attention on the outside edge. That's what those long fish got these guys herded up. Just picking them off one by one, having lunch. Hooked me up with a piece of bagel. Let's see how they react. Ooh. They're going for it. They like it too much. Alright, I'm gonna actually stop this video and just feed them.